Omubajeteegi erikutebeekanisibwa enguuto hamwe n'emirimo nibyo birikwija kutwara sente nyingi obucweka 39 n'obucwekacweka 3 ahari 100 ekirikubarwamu obuhumbi 28 na biliyoni 299 n'emitwaro 25 n'ekicweka kandi ekigenderere kutunguura ebyengyenda cweka eki ebyobwegyese hamwe n'ebyemizaano nibija kutwara obuhumbi 17 na miliyoni 348 n'emitwaro 87 ez'esente za Uganda ekirikubarwamu obucweka 29 n'obucwekacweka 3 ahari 100. Sente zindi ziteirwe omu bindi bitongore bya gavumenti eby'emirimo hamwe n'eby'obushubuzi ng'otaireho n'ebyokutebeekanisiza orurembo eby'ebibaro ng'otaireho na n'eby'amakorro hamwe n'ebitongore bya gavumenti ebindi na n'entunguuka.
1,816,774,000 under proposed budget allocation 2026-2027. There is 2,296,458,000. Number 2, tourism development. Under the year 2025-2026, there was 20 million. Proposed budget 2026-2027.
Pamela omukushoborera kwe nagira ngu bajeteegi bagikozere n'okwebuuza abantu abarikukwatwaho ab'emiringo yoona abarimu ministry za gavumenti zitari zimwe na zimwe abebembezi ab'endengo zitari zimwe na zimwe nangwa otaireho n'abebembezi aba gavumenti z'ebyanga ez'ahansi.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the government has introduced a program-based approach to planning and budgeting. This is intended to focus implementation on delivery of common results, strengthening alignment, and eliminate the zero approach service delivery.
Amos Hakizimana speaker wa district ya Kisoro asima ba kansara hamwe n'abakozi mu district egi abo kwatanisiza hamwe kurebeka ngo enteekateeka y'okushoza mu sente y'omwaka gw'e2026-2027 yaterera ngo otaireho na n'oburyo burungi obu bagikoreiremu.
I want to appreciate today's council, particularly councillors who've laid the budget for the financial year 2026-2027 to the tune of 63 billion. The priorities were basically the enhanced salaries.
Umuringo nugwo gumwe gunashobora ngo kurunda n'umushoro mu district ya Kisoro kukiri hansi nk'aba kansara bakozera umurimo murungi kurebeka ngo buri muntu uyine cyari kutasya yabasa kwikwaho umushoro.
So I appeal to civil servants, particularly the sub-county chiefs, the cashiers, the CDOs at the sub-county and town council levels to be participant and get actively involved in collecting revenues, so that the revenue enhancement can be increased.
Makuraga gacha kwa Adonia Teire aba Tayari West muri Kisoro.